Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. In previous video we discussed about isolated or spread footing, and now in this video we are going to discuss about combined footing. If the length of the footing is more, then two footings will overlap and we go with a combined footing. Where we have two columns, the common slab is called as combined footing. Now let's talk about why do we use combined footing. To support the load of two or more adjacent columns. To have uniform bearing pressure. To minimize differential settlement between columns. Now let's talk about when to use combined footing. When columns are closely spaced so that their isolated footings overlap. When bearing capacity of soil is lower and require more area under individual footing. When on column is close to a property line or center of gravity of column will not coincide with footing, or dimensions of one side of footing are restricted to some lower value. Now we will classify the combined footing. We can classify combined footing on basis of connectivity and on the basis of shape. Let's first discuss about the classification on the basis of connectivity. The first type of combined footing is slab type. It supports two or more columns with bottom slab only. The second type is slab beam type. It supports two or more columns with bottom slab and beam. The third type of combined footing is strap beam type. When one of the columns is subjected to large eccentric loadings, or even when two columns are far apart, a strap is designed to transfer eccentric moment between two columns. Now let's come to the classification on the basis of shape. On the basis of shape, there are two types of combined footing. The first one is rectangular and the second one is trapezoidal. Let's discuss about rectangular combined footing. If width of footing is restricted, then we will use rectangular combined footing. Load on adjacent column is same. Both columns have equal load and size, as you can see in the picture, if sufficient space is available beyond each column. If one column is near the property line, rectangular footing can still be provided if the interior column is relatively heavier. Now let's discuss about trapezoidal combined footing. Heavy load on column near to property line adjacent column. If length of footing is restricted, on column load or size is much more than the other. If the interior column is lighter, a trapezoidal footing is required to keep the resultant of column loads through the centroid of the footing. Okay everyone, this is all for today, and this is all for combined footing. In next video we will discuss about another type of shallow foundation, that is strap footing. Till then, keep practicing. Happy learning. See you in the next video.